There is so much that goes on around and over carpets. You and other members of your family tread on the area and track in dirt and debris from the outside. Your pet likes to roll around like it's their favorite place. As such, it is very likely that over time your carpet can develop some unpleasant odors. Although vacuuming does help with the removal of these smells, you will find that it is not enough. You have to do a little extra in order to keep the carpet fresh. Thankfully, there is an easy and very effective method, which I am about to share with you. It involves our all-time favorite ingredient, baking soda, and a little extra essential oil of your choice. Deodorize your carpet with baking soda. Essential oils are great to have around, and the following recipe will prove that to you. Mix baking soda and several drops of your favorite essential oil. Lemon, lavender or orange work particularly well for this task. Sprinkle the carpet with the mix in generous manner. Let it sit like that for 30 minutes. Vacuum the area thoroughly. The result is a gorgeous, fresh-smelling room without the use of any chemicals. You will love it. So how does this basic ingredient found in your kitchen cupboard work so well? What you may not know about baking soda is that it has excellent absorbent qualities. It siphons the unpleasant odors with ease. At the same time, the essential oil will release its scent all around the place, making your room smell like heaven. If that is not good enough for you, you should also know that the same mix of ingredients works wonders on the mattress you sleep on. Baking soda is harmless and it is cheap. Still, that doesn't stop it from being super effective when it comes to combating smells. We urge you to try out this method of carpet refreshment and see just how effective it is. Stay tuned for more useful tips on my channel. Feel free to share what you want to see more in the comments below.